First, the top news headlines. Chief Minister hands over 5 water supply schemes to public through video conferencing. Army, police recover arms and ammunition at Langthabal, Puramakong. And JCILPS miffed at government ignoring cut-off year definition of indigenous people in ILP. Hello and good evening. I'm ONEL SHAMBANDURAM giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Now the news in details. Manipur Chief Minister N. Birain today handed over 5 water supply schemes to the public via video conferencing. N. Birain also handed over a newly constructed office building of weight and measures at Lamfelpat to the authority. The 5 water schemes were Kanchipur Treatment Plant, Overhead Tank at Sangakpham, Koidengai Treatment Plant, Water Supply Scheme at Haingang Awang Lekai and Distribution and Network at Churachandpur District. Manipur Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, CAF and PD Minister and local MLA of Langthabal constituency, Karam Syam said that drinking water would be provided to every household in Langthabal constituency by 2022. He added the 9 million litres per day capacity water treatment plant at Kanchipur will provide water to around 17 villages in Langthabal constituency and other neighbouring constituencies. The minister also said that the water treatment plant was built at an estimated cost of rupees 610.30 lakh under the Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission.
The target amagi makada the prajagi awaba maruina kuina mai gi problem thoidona leitre lambi gi problem hojik leidiba kharasi December the before 1 years election mamangda 100% solution gani adu gi singji muga the praja singa sama piba ngamagadi politics tawjarubagi the ranti tawgi mai du fangi aina the target when the Ojabadumode Sunchoidana, my partner have you from the Matamjage.
Jiribam Chief Medical Officer Dr. E. Okendro Singh said that the newly launched COVID-19 AG test kit will be beneficial to the Jiribam residents. During the launch program at the conference hall of Deputy Commissioner Jiribam, Dr. E. Okendro further said COVID-19 symptomatic people and residents in containment zones will be given first priority as per the IMCR guidelines. Chief Minister N. Birain launched the COVID-19 AG test kit through video conferencing today. Dr. Okendro Singh also thanked the Chief Minister, saying that the kit will help not only the Jiribam residents but also the people of the state. Superintendent of Police Jiribam and Joint Director of Medical Directorate Dr. S. Suchitra Devi were the main attendees of the function. A combined team of 13 Dogra Regiment posted at Imphal Airport along with Imphal West police personnel yesterday recovered a huge catch of arms and ammunitions during a search operation near Chumthang Sanabung of Langthabal Puramakong under Singzamay police station. However, no arrest was made. According to a police report, the seized items include 1 AK rifle with magazine, 1 carbine with magazine, a carbine magazine original, 1 Chinese hand grenade, 1 local made .32 pistol with magazine, 2 walkie-talkie sets with charger, 10 AK ammunition and 10 9mm ammunition. The recovered items were handed over to Singzamay police station. Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System JCILPS also observed the 5th death anniversary of Assam Robin Hood at Awaching in Imphal East. JCILPS convener YK Dhiren Maitai on the occasion said the inner line permit system implemented in Manipur has no proper base here and that it does not define the indigenous population either. At the event, the participants, including led Robin Hood's parents, leaders of JCILPS, paid floral tribute at the memorial site of Robin Hood. Dhiren maintained that the inner line permit system implemented in the state under Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 does not live up to the expectation of the masses. According to a Gazette notification dated December 31st, 2019, the Manipur Inner Line Permit Guidelines 29 state. The ILPS in Manipur also does not mention about prohibiting buying and selling of land to outsiders, Dhiren said. He said the people of Manipur should not rejoice at the implementation of ILPS in the state. Dhiren demanded a regulation that can help in protecting the interests of the indigenous people. Referring to the proposed delimitation exercise based on 2001 census, the JCILPS leader said such exercise would incite communal tension in the state.
Manipur the inner line permit system mamak chanari hai na Manipur government gazette thogasu aikoi tuminna aikoi shanti oina leithokpa yadaba maramdi hauji chaniriba adumlaba ILP system se machak yaudabani na aikoi kari karamna aikoi hena effective oiba Changhan na buwan arko da JCILP musung Manipur miyamna thaudang lawmina si haiba wafam si mai amaru oibo na thamjage aikoi Manipur da delimitation tawsi law and order gi fibam namar markanda tongan fibam namar markanda Manipur da delimitation tawba ya giro yana aikoi mamang thingaga legi wafam do ikhang khangau na hojik ta amu 2001 da sana census na maram oira kanu oira kan base oira kan da koi tawgani haiba sidi adum laba abnormal oiriba adum laba census adu da tawba haiba se aikoi miyam gi sentiment khangna tawhaningi maduna sentiment du kairagadi miyamgi oiba moment ama tolakanda tonga nungai taba lebak sida tangdu leita daba fibam ama lakpa yai habse JCILP ga mai gedi samai.
Sapam Robin Hood's father, Sapam Romesh, on the occasion expressed displeasure over the failure of the government to develop Awaching, where the mortal remains of Robin Hood was laid to rest.
Akhoi wari natraga karigumba amatasu akhoi family da haibiba leitabasi yam nungaijade masi yaragadi masi muti simtang khillagadi ai sirasu pele and ai kanjaraga leijabani adubu kari lege habadudi ai khangjade masi matangda ai masimtang ai pamjabani lebang myam da masimtang sanba ongtang tawbiyo na haijani.
Students wing of Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System JCILPS and Student Union of Anand Singh Academy Imphal today observed the 5th death anniversary of Sapam Robin Hood at the school premises. Floral tributes were made to the photo of Robin Hood at the occasion. Dr. L. Bimala, principal of Anand Singh Academy, also attended the event. This year's observance remained low-key due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Sapam Robin Hood lost his life during police action on the fateful day of July 8, 2015 at Telepathy in Imphal during Inner Line Permit movement. He was a student of Anand Singh Academy.
School da dum pikna tawjare na hangai di am chawna mamang sida khoina tawjabani hadaki oina di pangthok taba ya taba mamingi oina sani pagi nungai taba phongdok oina khoi myam changdana kaino tawna leibaki namukta thawaya kalkiba sani pagi gi ningsing oina khoina pangthok jaban.
It's now time for a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Sambrai Thau Industry gi anauba product ama oina kangna chikpadagi ngakthoknaba organic product na sem sajaba haksang da tainaba organic mosquito repellent puthokchari kangna chikpadagi ngakthokpada natana haksang da taiba matamda tukhong sengdokpa kuchu phajahanba chikpa naba phahanba amadi skin disease kaya phahanba ngamlaba hidakne fangfam Michu Embroidery Sabolbantera Khuraijam Laikai contact number 9856159680 natraga 9863206335.
Khanghanjaba lamjingba finance ki member sing da khanghanjari madudi COVID19 lakshinaba lauthokiba lockdown na maram oiduna matam kuina lepluraba lamjingba finance ki thabak sing mathang tha August ki tang 15 dagi amuk haujaragani matam kuina piba lepluraba member sing ki benefit sing September ki tang 18 leiba pokpa namitagi piba haujaragani September amasung October tha anisigi oinadi 1% da pijagani aduga November tha dagi hauraga matung taba tha singi oinadi hanagumna agreement ta leinakiba percentage ta adumak pijagani amaromda sahi asigi haukiba March tha gi tang 10 phawgi manungda leiba benefit lauthoogdaba member singi oina September gi tang 3 ta pithok saragani makhatana member singi mafamda khanghanjari madudi malem pumbada COVID-19 laichat lakpadagi wanaraba matam oibana civil society organization laingak amadi atai lup kaya gi wafambu na thaiba yadabana matam kuina lamjingba finance su thabak suba yadabadagi thonglonduna leirure maramaduna haukiba March tha gi tang kun mathoi dagi hauraga mathang tha August gi tang kun phawgi oina members singi benefit pijararoi adubu pihogdaba tha sing adu paraga maturity period ta oina sangdok chargani masida nungsijaraba members singna waru biroi khanjai loinana haijariba wafam sing asida members singna apam pam da yaurabasu COVID19 laksinaba lockdown laikibadagi wanaraba matam oibana aikhoi punna saruk yaminasi haina lamjingba finance ki maikaidagi khanganjariba lamjingba finance
Ichabu mahi tamhanba haibasi mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudoni Slopland Public School, biggest and the finest residential school, Manipur gi oina lamjaningai oiraba, mahi tampham ama oiriba, khwaidigi chunaraba mafda semgatlaba, CBSE the affiliate toba higher secondary school oiri. Icha singbu admission to widana mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba, khwaidigi chabu khudol oibiu, icha gi phazabalam chat sajat ki ahombadu ubiu, Slopland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. Central Forest Manipuri today disposed wildlife items seized from various parts of the state, including Imphal Airport. The disposal was carried out at Central Forest Manipuri complex under the supervision of Divisional Forest Officer R.K. Amarjit. According to DFO R.K. Amarjit, the destroyed items included 3 kg of dry meat of barking deer, 3.7 kg of semi-roasted meat of monkey, and 9.10 kg of semi-roasted meat of barking deer and wild boar. 40 kg of semi-roasted, fresh and certified meat of barking deer, sambar and monkey were also buried and disposed. Wildlife DFO L. Ibohanbi, MFS, Additional Superintendent of Police, Imphal East, Bishorjit, MPS, Assistant Public Prosecutor, CJM, Imphal East, and Assistant Conservator of Forest, Central Forest Division, Siva Vaimei, were present at the site. Directorate of Extension Education, Central Agricultural University kicked off a 3-day training program on induced breeding of fishes at CAU Central Farm, Lamfelpa today. The training program is organized by Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, Kiran Division, New Delhi. Taking part in the opening day of the program, Director of Department of Fisheries, Gojendra, said that it was time to introduce new ways of fish farming as the traditional mode has failed to meet the demand and supply of the state. Gojendra added that in order to bridge the demand-supply gap, there is a need for introduction of new technique to increase fish production. He also stressed on the need of good quality fish breed. Gojendra asserted that in order to stop relying on outside states, Manipur needs new technique in the field of fish farming.
Hana toramba khoi traditional method ta nga macha puthokado aduna dia khoi gi Manipur gi nga gi demand se meet toba ngamde aduna akoina wherever it may be, maybe in my department, maybe in cow, wherever it may be, akoi hujikti nga che ihan han bada good quality sit puthokase machi yamna mathong tabra na khanjai.
Residents of Rangkung under None district organized a cleanliness program at the village under MGNREGA today. The program was held by maintaining social distancing. Besides, the participants used face masks and followed the government protocols. Aching Gangmei, one of the village authority members, said that during the rainy season, the condition of inter-village road is bad and the villagers want blacktopping of the road stretch of National Highway 37 starting from Rangchung village playground, which is around a half kilometer distance.
Within National Highway 37 dagi akoi playground akoi khunmaya yawbasi half kilometer muk sangba lambi ni achi se akoi blacktop pamjai aduna Athubugi matamda akoi chief minister amasung akoi works minister mayamna miyeng changbiraga asigi lambi se athuba matamda blacktop pibiro haibse akoi nolok na hajiri.
Members of Kumbi Urban Development Committee and Kumbi Lomi Sinmi Apunbalup have urged the state government to look into the situation where flood water has submerged Kumbi Lautombi Lokon under Kumbi constituency in Bishnupur district. Around 20 hectares of paddy field at Kumbi, Tombi, Lokon under Kumbi constituency has been affected by flood water due to incessant rains in the past few days. They appeal to the state government to extend help to the farmers in every possible ways so that they can ensure crop yield. They also appeal to the government to ensure availability of fertilizers free of cost to the farmers considering the situation. The Indian Journalists Union IJU has expressed serious concern over a police complaint by Loston Village Council against the Shillong Times editor Patricia Mukim on Monday for a social media post. The media reported that on July 3rd last, some masked miscreants armed with iron rods and sticks attacked 6 boys on a basketball court in Loston Village. Mukim, in her Facebook post tagged to Chief Minister Konark Sangma, said the incident was unacceptable. The village council filed the complaint against Mukim, alleging that her comments on Facebook about the attack last week could incite communal tension. In a statement, IJU President and former member, Press Council of India, Gitartha Pathak, and Secretary General and Vice President, International Federation of Journalists, Sabina Inderjit, said that if the village council is aggrieved on Mukim's Facebook posting or writing in any media outlet, it may issue a clarification on her comments or reports and concern media, which is a norm set by Press Council of India and other international media regulatory bodies. Filing police case for an opinion or any posting on social media or report in newspapers, electronic medias, portals against a journalist is nothing but violation of freedom of press and freedom of speech, it added. The IJU appeals to leaders of the village council to withdraw the complaint and issue a press release and express its stance. IJU leaders said the incident is unfortunate and the matter should be settled through dialogue and mutual understanding on the basis of the doctrine of freedom of speech and responsibility on socially sensitive issues. The Trained Nurses Association of India (TNAI) today stated that the nurses working in various COVID care centers in Manipur are not getting their due DA and other entitled allowances as per recommendations of 7 Pay Commission. A release said, although the nurses are continuing with their assigned duties, the Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur issued an order on July 6 last invoking the provision of Disaster Management Act 2005, the sole purpose of which seems to disrupt the employees and their work. The TNAI appealed to the state government to look into the issue for a possible solution to the legitimate demands of the nurses considering the ongoing pandemic and the selfless and tireless contribution made by the nurses fraternity. The release added that the nursing fraternity will restore to protest if the government fails to meet their demands. Phomdom Dhanabir of Kumbi Assembly constituency and 50 others joined Republican Party of India A today during a simple function at the party office in Kaisampat in Imphal. RPIA State President Thaunawjom Mahesh welcomed them and later appointed Phomdom Dhanabir as the convener of the party.
MLA Minister Hypacity Representative Amani Madi Tabak Taurona Mayamgi Prazana Tadu Obami Misak Amaneva Masi Kumaina Nindoni Kanbaya Doribano Madi Zas Akoigi Representative Amaneduna Rasiti se Yauri Harakanda Kumbi constituency da Achauba Awanba Maporak Nabase Yam Tuna Honarase Habase Koida was at Nabinasu or Porkani Tazay Akoigi Saitagisu Republican Party of India Atawale Manipur State Committee Saitagisu Kumbida Achauba support Pigani Habase Angasi
ngahaki paisana natraga ngahaki akoigi moi themna khurummaga akoi vote pigi bagi natro ngasi praja singna warsi right to equality lake haba targadi akoi nungda ngahaki wakhalon karino magi concept karino ahang ngasi print and media gi mamang lautok sari ahang general election lek pe haba matamda no single koilama go mengi amataina ngasi tolop cha de bai sase ahang karim election mai pak matamda Prajana Pirba minded to Gimatung Night Tolop Sarkani, Tolobado Saroi, Prajasing the Punchiki Katok Sagani.
Khongampat Gram Panchayat organized social audit Gram Sabha for the financial year 2019-20 today at BNRGSK Hall of the Gram Sabha. Pradhan members, Jila Parishad members and officers were present. Speaking at the audit Gram Sabha, Pradhan of the Gram Panchayat Yankom Muhindro said that public support is essential for the success of government projects.
Khongang Chakana Honabada, MG Narigana, Toba, Matingama, Equid Pibire, ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯃꯤꯠꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯐꯪꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁꯤꯕꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯚꯥꯞ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯊꯧꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
Jiri Development Organization JDO President N. Sadananda today lauded Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren for planning to open a COVID care center in Jiribam district. He informed that Chief Minister N. Biren has sent a medical team to Jiribam for opening the COVID care center at Harinagar area in Jiribam, besides sending COVID-19 testing kits to the district. And Sadananda, however, cautioned the government to think twice before taking up any step, considering the alarming situation in Jiribam.
COVID care center ma thambina ba amadi masiga mari leina ba testing equipment sing karikara matik chana jiri ta thambina ba haidana sarkar gi magaida administration gi magaida takshan dana lakchara padu ngarang asi ONEL CM na Jiribam da akoi test taunana ba COVID-19 gi test taunana ba kusukulai sing loina na medical gi chaurba mi mangana sabat timu thabi raktana Jiribam gi Harinagar gi modern school da model school da koi gi COVID care center ma thamgani haitana koi hojik Honoribasida Jiri Development Organization ki maigi da gi amusung Jiribam gi praja singi mo chinjaraga yamna nungaiba amusung semu tawimol khangbutusu uchari.
Well, it's now time for another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Competitive Success Academy ki Class 11 amadi 12 Science ki admission hauzari. Pizaribu khudong chabasing adudi June tha faubada admission tawbirakpa Class 11 Science ki ahanba mahiroi yankhai gi admission fee chada yankhai tajagani. Bosem na lauba exam da chad fu amadi CBSE na lauba exam da chada marifu taragi mathakta fangba mahiroi singi oina admission amadi tuition fee laujaroi amasung scholarship pijagani. Chada humphudagi humphutara manga fawba fangba mahiroi singi admission tangkhai tamak laujagani amadi lairik lemna fanghanjagani. Class 12 ta ming chanabagi damak atopa board tagi Class 11 pass tawraba matung eligibility certificate pairaba mahiroi singda ming chanbagi khudong chaba pijari. Akupa marol gidamak contact tawbirau Competitive Success Academy Uripok Khoisnam Laikai Imphal. Contact number 6909199961 natraga 89747 natraga 9436288300 natraga 700-589-2311.
Khanghanjaba lamjingba finance ki loan lobi kiba loni singda khanghanjari madudi COVID-19 laichana maram oiduna lamda masigi civil society organization laingak amadi atopa loop singi wafam taraba matung haukiba March sagi tang kunmari dagi mathang tha August ki tang taramari fawbagi oina loan gi EMI khomgatpa lepcharure maram maduna mathang tha August ki tang taramanga thang janumitagi loni singi thifam thokpa makhataba EMI sing thidok piba yaragani masigi damak nagamapal Shota Laiba Lamjingba Finance ki office ta lakpiduna monetary form mention biu loinana credit score su check tokthok piu monetary form mention bagi matamna tha asigi tang 13 tagi horaga mathang tha gi tang 13 fawba oigani hariba matam masigi matungda lakpa wakat singdi lauzararoi amaromda loni amana karigumba isa lobi khiba loan singdok charage hairabasu apikpa senfamda singdok pudong chaba pijaragani.
Welcome back. Distribution of PDS rice items, especially rice and whole grains, continue in Manipur with 91 quintal of rice and 13 quintal of grams distributed to migrant workers yesterday in Imphal West District, covering 1,820 persons, while another 140 quintal of rice and 9.5 quintal of grams were distributed to migrant workers on 6th of this month, covering 2,800 persons in the district. In Thabal District 2, beneficiaries of Lilong Assembly constituency were distributed with 105.7 quintal of dal on 6th of July. PDS items are distributed to the beneficiaries of the state under various schemes such as Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, National Food Security Act and Open Market Sales Scheme to ensure uninterrupted supply of food grains during the ongoing lockdown. The banned KCP People's War Group has extended solidarity to the farming community in the state amid the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic crisis. In a press release today, KCP People's War Group ensured of extending support and ensuring availability of fertilizers to the local farmers after deliberating the issue with like-minded groups in Manipur. The outfit also urged all private banks and microfinance firms in the state to take very low interest from the public and extend loan to farmers in this trying time. Lehau Kunai Kanba Luptil has termed it very unfortunate that borrowers have fallen prey to microfinance institutions, chit fund schemes and other non-bank money lenders amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Organization President Puyam Joy said this during a press meet at LKKL office in Uripok today. He urged each and everyone to inform LKKL if any individual related to microfinance forces the public to pay due money amid the COVID-19 lockdown.
Loan toliba lonising da kwan hajaningi hauji akoi lakalda mayamama hauji akoi the line logra galere akoi direct contact tokdana aduga tawdi basinga sisu akoi the line lobiro akoi the mating lobi akoi punsanji adu akoi thengna minji hauji Manipuda mi lak amani matakta hauji sumana awana tariba mayam singa se akoi punsanji masi mayam singa se akoi ne lepiu haibasi lepi dragadi masida tholakpa aphapata punamak hauji sel sali ba kambusing Marup Toribu Kangosing, Pasapai Basing, Lanai Sen Santoi Basing, Masi Mayam Singasinam, Masipu, we get them Hibase, as he lay back Miamda, away Lakan Kanganjari.
A new movie club, Assam Manipuri Movie Club, has been set up at Assam's Silchar district. The movie club aims to help explore audiences in the field of offbeat movies across the globe. This was informed in a press release from coordinator of Assam Manipur Movie Club, Dr. H. Narendra Singh. Assam has registered 814 new COVID-19 positive cases, taking the state's overall tally to 13,336. Confirming the news, Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma in his latest tweet on the state's COVID-19 status said, out of the 814 new positive cases, 588 are from Guwahati city alone. According to a media report, with the new cases, the total number of active COVID-19 cases in Assam now stands at 4,988. Earlier, a total of 8,329 COVID-19 patients have been discharged from various civil, district and model hospitals across Assam. Two persons, including a woman, died of COVID-19 in Assam yesterday, taking the state's death toll to 16, the report added. India saw its COVID-19 tally jump by another 22,752 in the last 24 hours to reach 7,42,417. According to the Union Health Ministry data at 8 a.m., the number of active cases in the country are 2,64,994 and 4,56,830 patients have been cured or discharged. The total number of fatalities has now reached 20,642 after 482 people died in the last 24 hours, the Health Ministry data showed. The government, however, said yesterday that the total number of coronavirus infections and fatalities per million population in the country are among the lowest in the world. The Health Ministry said that India's recovered cases per million population is more than active COVID-19 cases per million. It credited the state and union territories for early identification and effective management of the coronavirus cases, a media report said. The centre meanwhile removed masks and sanitizers from the purview of the Essential Commodities Act yesterday, citing the absence of reports of shortage of such items from anywhere in the country. The items were brought under the purview of this law in March when demand for them outstripped supply with an eye on capping prices. The coronavirus has infected nearly 11.8 million people worldwide and killed over 5 lakh. The United States has the most number of infections, over 3 million, followed by Brazil, India and Russia, a media report said. The World Health Organization Wednesday warned that a spike in global death could be expected given the surge in cases over the last week. Dr. Michael Ryan, Emergencies Chief of the World Health Organization, said there was often a lag between the time it took for deaths to be reported after an increase in cases, as it takes time for the virus to run its course in patients. He also said the rise in cases was not due to widespread testing, but because the epidemic was accelerating. Well, before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister hands over 5 water supply schemes to public through video conferencing. Army police recover arms and ammunition at Langtabal, Puramakong. And JCILPS myth at government ignoring cutoff year, definition of indigenous people in ILP. Well, that's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.